The first exercise that we are going to run through a series of progressions is going to be a rotational exercise. A lot of the athletes that will train will be rotational athletes, and so their ability to initiate rotation as well as control the rotation is going to be critical to their performance. The first exercise is going to be a stability version, and that's going to be a Russian twist with a medicine ball, and that simply is just training our ability to have that rotational force and control our body as we go through it. So this would look like this. We will move the med ball and have our legs raised and just attempt to keep our body stationary as we go through this. A progression on this exercise to still be a rotational exercise but now be more strength based would be to do a overhand cable chop instead, half kneeling. This exercise can be done numerous ways. It can be kneeling, standing, as a cable chop or as a cable lift, but all of them work our ability to initiate rotation in thoracic and the lumbar and to stabilize our body while doing so. And so this exercise would be done with the cable machine, and as a half kneeling version, now the athlete performing this exercise, there will be some variation and some differences in the amount of rotation that they perform, and that will affect the actual musculature being used. So now, to progress this to more of a power exercise, we'll do a half kneeling lateral throw. And when we turn this into a throw, we're now training our ability to generate a maximal amount of force over a short amount of time. So this trains our rate of force development, and if performed properly, it also trains our stretch shortening cycle and our ability to rely on that to actually get that benefit. So that would be performed, again, half kneeling, but it could be done kneeling or standing. And we're going to try and perform this in a way that we can get the benefit out of our stretch reflex and make this, again, a power-based exercise. So there are 3 different variations on a rotational exercise for stability, strength, and power.